Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy caramel latte right at home. This simple method requires just a few common ingredients and takes only a few minutes to prepare. You'll be able to enjoy a cafe-quality drink without any fuss. We'll go through gathering your essentials, mixing the base, warming the milk, and adding those delightful final touches. Let's get started on crafting your perfect, cozy beverage. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 shot of espresso, which is about 1/4 cup of strong brewed coffee if you don't have an espresso machine. Next, grab 1 cup of your favorite milk. Whole milk, almond, or oat milk all work wonderfully. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of rich caramel sauce for that signature flavor. Finally, for an extra special treat, have some whipped cream and a little more caramel ready for drizzling on top. These few items are all you need. Now, let's start combining our base. First, pour your freshly brewed espresso or strong coffee into your favorite mug. Then, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of that delicious caramel sauce directly into the hot coffee. Give it a good stir until the caramel is fully dissolved and well combined with the coffee. While that's mixing, heat your milk. You can steam it with an espresso machine or warm it gently on the stove top or in the microwave until it reaches about 150 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's nice and hot. For the grand finale, it's time to assemble your beautiful latte. Carefully pour your warm, frothed milk over the espresso and caramel mixture in your mug. Watch as the layers come together. Next, for that extra indulgence, top your latte generously with a delightful swirl of whipped cream. To complete this masterpiece, drizzle an additional 1 tablespoon of caramel sauce over the whipped cream. Serve your easy homemade caramel latte immediately and enjoy every single sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.